How to fix you have been disconnected due to poor connection and Marvel Rivals is really easy to do. First thing you do is I recommend going over to the internet and actually doing an internet speed test. Now you can just type in Wi-Fi speed test, and as you can see, mine is currently in the middle range of the actual speeds of the internet, because if you do have slow internet, it will basically not allow you to run the game. So I just recommend turning off restarting your computer and making sure you have strong internet connection. Otherwise, this game will give you a lot of errors for just this simple internet connection. And as you can see, I've even searched for this option, Marvel Rivals server status, and it'll actually give you a bunch of updates on if the server is currently crashing or not, just for the world population. And there's even websites you can actually view to see if other people are experiencing the surge of this error at the same time. I even recommend switching your network option if you have multiple network options, or even cell service, so that your game can run a lot faster and smoother, because network is the biggest thing. This thing does require a lot of processing power to actually be used, so it's crucial to have strong internet, and if you don't, then you basically will have a hard time running this game.